Okay, we're here with the small boat restoration. Clark and Skip are working on 1963 Alcort Sunfish chip. Just a quick explanation of what's going on. Earlier did a video talking about the checking that's happened on this fir plywood deck, just where the wood grain split apart. So what we're doing is we're taking THIXO and just doing a very light skim coat to fill in any of these little divots and any fastener holes. Just try to get it all one surface area. Main goal is to seal it up. We'll come back and lightly sand it, get it smooth, and then we'll put additional coatings of primer and paint on top of it. So the blues, this THIXO's dispensed out of this cartridge tube, and it's turned kind of blue, a little bit of sanding dust left over. So we're just working it across the grain once to force that THIXO down. Then we're coming down and skimming off as much of it as we can to give it more of that smooth appearance versus some of this checked appearance. So we're gonna go swap out some gloves and continue on. The final sweep with the spreader is with the grain, so any kind of little ridges or squiggles should blend right in with the wood grain. We're not trying to make the wood grain go away entirely, but just trying to seal up those deeper voids in the checks.